In this video, I want to show you how to install or how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. So step number one is to make sure that the printer is turned on. This printer takes one black ink cartridge, HP 64. It also comes in the XL format, and one ink cartridge that has the three colors, magenta, cyan, and yellow. To replace the ink cartridges or to install, you first need to lower this front panel of the printer. You can stick your finger on the top right corner and do so. Then we need to push the top panel all the way up until it clicks in place. It has a small prop over here that will maintain it in this position. To install the ink cartridges, it's very important to always put the magenta top ink cartridge, the one with the three colors, on the left side, and the black ink cartridges always on the right side. Never mix them up. So let's start with this one. You're going to remove the tape that protects the print head. And simply, you can hold the cartridge the way you want. It's not important. You're going to lower it in the left side over here in this position. And then with your thumb, you're going to push it forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, until it clicks in place. Do the same thing with the black ink cartridges on the right side. You're going to put it in this position. And then with your thumb, you're going to push it. Now they're locked in place. In the future, when you want to replace one of these, take any fingers and you need to push on the top of the ink cartridges to disengage it. For example, I just push it over here and then I can lift it out and install a new one. So by pushing on the top, you unlock the cartridge. Now all it's left to do is to lower the top lid, be gentle, and put back the front lid. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, check my Amazon links down below to get new ink cartridges. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.